Hey everyone, I'm Radhima from Saurabh Sir's classes, and today we are going to solve some important questions from the IIT JAM Mathematical Statistics 2023 question paper. So here in front of you is question number 9, and it is given that let x be a continuous random variable such that the probability of x being non-negative, that is it is x greater than equals to 0 is equals to 1, and variance of x is less than infinity. Then what should be the value of e of x square? Okay, so now let us write down the formula that we know that e of x square is equals to integration of 0 to infinity 2x into 1 minus f of x dx. Okay, now this, in order to understand this 1 minus fx is, say, 1 minus fx. So if fx is equals to probability of value sum of less than equals to x, then 1 minus fx is basically probability of x greater than x, right? So that means I can put this as e of x square is equals to 2 in 0 to infinity x into x square into, sorry, this is square, x square into probability of x greater than the value px. So do we have that option? Yes. So option A is the correct answer. Let us have a look at the second question. So this is question number 3, and here it is given that x follows f distribution. X follows f distribution with 6,2 degree of freedom, and y follows f distribution with 2,6 degree of freedom. Now we can write, suppose if x follows f, then 1 by x will follow f distribution with 2,6, and 1 by y, say, follows f distribution with 6,2. So basically this is basically replaceable, right? From here it is very clear. Now here in the question we are given probability of x less than equals to 2 is equals to, now probability of y less than equals to half is equals to alpha, or probability of 1 by y is greater than 2. This is alpha, right? Now this 1 by y is, if we see here, x follows f6 2, 1 by y follows f6 2. So that means I can write this equals to, or probability of x greater than 2, which is here alpha, or 1 minus probability of x less than equals to 2. So probability of x less than equals to 2 here is given, that is the question. That is 216 by 343. So 1 minus 216 by 343 is equals to alpha. Right? Okay, now let us solve here. So, or this is 343 minus 216 by 343 is equals to alpha, or this is 7112, so this is 2. So this is 27 by 343 is equals to alpha. So in question we have to find out 686 alpha is equals to how much? So that means, that is 686 alpha is equals to, now this is alpha, so 686 into 27 by 343. Okay, and if we calculate, then we will get the answer from the option, that is 254, and that is the correct option. The following question is question number 6. So here you are given three variables x1, x2, x3. Okay, from a random sample from a normal distribution here n, where one of the parameter is 1 and theta is unknown parameter. So basically we are given x. Um, basically we are given xi, right? And this follows n theta comma 1, and this theta is basically unknown. Now we have to find out which one of the following conditional expectation does not depend on theta. Okay, so here we can see that the first probability of expectation, these are all summation. So now we will start with the last option, because here we have the sum of x1, x2, x3, that is all the three variables from the sample. Now this is given that e of x1 plus x2 minus x3 given x1 plus x2 plus x3, and now these are all independent, so we can write down this as e of x1 given x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus e of x2 given x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus e of x3 given x1 plus x2 plus x3. Okay, this is minus, sorry. Now here these are all unbiased estimator individually and they're independent, so I can say that these are all equal, and hence I can just strike off this plus and minus term, so I'm left with only this term. Now let us say that x bar is equals to estimator of theta, unknown parameter, right? Now what is x bar? That is here it is basically 1 by 3 summation xi, right? That is 1 by 3 x1 plus x2 plus x3, that is equals to theta. So that means if I have the summation of these three, then I can actually have this value and then I can find out. So that means this x1 plus x2 plus x3 does not depend on theta, and I can say that probability is the correct answer.